Alright, what's going on, guys? So in today's video, we're going to be installing some lift shackles on Jimmy's OBS Silverado. We got it all jacked up. We're going to be getting these shackles out. Kind of hard to see without much lighting. So basically, where the rear leaf spring mounts to the chassis, these are shorter, bringing it closer to the chassis, which is actually going to lift the truck. So a lot of people, what they do is they install lowering shackles. I actually have a video from a few months back where I installed lowering shackles on my Duramax. But these ones are actually going to lift it because it's shorter versus longer. It's a pretty straightforward job. You're going to have to take out the bolt that goes through the leaf spring and through the shackle, and then take out that bolt that goes to the frame of the truck, and then we'll be able to put in the shorter one. No, the bolt seized. Oh, I had a feeling that was going to happen. So it's actually common on these older trucks. This is a well-known issue with GMs. The bolt that goes through the leaf spring is seized. Usually this one comes out. This is the bushing that goes to the frame of the truck. This one of these top bolts here is what goes through the leaf spring. And those, because these bushings here are like the exact same size of the bolts, any rust that gets in there seizes them immediately. But just so you guys can see, this is the factory leaf. This is going to be the lift leaf, so he's only going to gain a little over an inch, roughly about 1.5 inches of lift here. So you see the bolt is just closer to where it mounts on the frame, which is actually going to lift the truck. And if you were to lower it, you'd actually have to bring the leaf spring mounting point up higher, and that would lower the truck. So we're going to go ahead and get this bolt cut off. As soon as that's out, it'll be good to drop it in. So the new shackle's in. So what we did in order to get the seized bolt out was we cut the head off with the Sawzall, and then the nut, we put washers against the against where it mounts to the chassis, and then tighten the nut down, which actually pulled it right out. So that worked best. You don't want to use a torch because then you'll burn the bushing that's in the leaf spring. But this is what it looks like with them installed. It's on the lowest setting here, which is actually going to bring the truck up as high as we can get it. Yeah, so after we put the 4.6 drop in the truck was actually riding on these bump stops, and now we have a little bit of clearance. So hopefully this makes the truck ride a lot better. We'll put the truck down, take it for a ride, and see how it drives. That on 2 or 3? 2. Jimmy, wrap up the video. If you guys want to see more OBS Silverado videos, drop it down in the comment section below.
Gotta put me on the spot right now, bro.
Come on. If you guys like this video, drop down in the comment section below. If you want to see more OBS Silverado videos, give us a like, let us know what you think, and thanks for watching.